How to add to your Snapchat story from your camera roll. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can add to your Snapchat story from camera roll. So to do that, first of all, open your Snapchat app. Now make sure you are logged into your Snapchat account. Now in order to add a photo or video from your camera roll to your story, what you have to do is simply swipe up and then it will take you to your memories. So you can view all of the memories which you saved previously on Snapchat, but if you want to add a photo from your camera roll, tap on the second option, which is camera roll. Now it will show you all of your photos and videos on your gallery currently. So now choose the photo or video which you want to add to your story, and now once you're okay with that, simply tap on the story icon on the bottom side of the screen and now confirm it by tapping add. So that is basically how you add a photo or video from your camera roll to your Snapchat story. That is it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.